I've been here at Toyota Indiana for 24 years. I've launched somewhere in the realm of about 8 new vehicles. And of course, bringing in this new Lexus vehicle was a big thrill for me. From the day that I announced to my team that we were bringing a new Lexus on board, they were all looking at each other. We're building a Lexus. They were extremely excited.
So the energy has been really high as we were preparing for the Lexus. We leveled up our standardized work to be next level to make sure that every little detail is there.
To prepare for the Lexus, we started with benchmarking. From that benchmarking, we created strategies to develop our mindset, skill set, and process capability to make it easy to build with the highest level quality.
My whole team worked extremely hard to work with design to improve overall structure and integrity of the vehicles. Because if we can build it into the design, that makes it easier for our team members that are working on the vehicle to achieve good quality.
We are always trying to think of what else can we do to make this better? What way can we make life easier for our team members? It's astounding the amount of work everybody puts in. From the team member on the floor to the managers, everybody has their role, everybody plays a part. Getting to see this vehicle come into fruition, it was so exciting. It makes all those little moments all worth it whenever you see something materialize that you've worked so hard on.
Getting behind that wheel after 2.5 years was quite a thrill for me. Design intended this vehicle to be a comfortable ride for trips. It's exactly what it's meant. The heads-up display, fantastic. Made it very easy to see stop signs and everything coming up ahead of time.
The sound system, it is crystal clear. It's like you're in that theater atmosphere.
My favorite seat in the new Lexus TX, shotgun. That way I can control the radio. They have that great touch screen, get all the playlists going.
Building this one from the design up, I gotta drive it. That's my thing. I need to be in the driver's seat.
I would choose the driver's seat. Who in their right minds does not want to drive a Lexus?
All the seats are good in the Lexus TX, but my favorite seat's the driver's seat. That's where I have the most fun and I'm the most comfortable.
I've always had an approach to build the best vehicle that we can here at Toyota. But with the Lexus coming on board, it was quite an honor for my entire pilot team that the company had the trust in Toyota Indiana to actually bring this vehicle here. Our team has done a fantastic job in launching this vehicle and it's been probably one of the smoothest launches we've had here. And being a Lexus makes it even better.
Having Lexus here at Toyota Indiana, it is huge. To me, this means that we are progressing in the right direction.
The fact that I get to build a Lexus now, is just so next level cool. I know I'm always trying to improve myself. As a plant, we're trying to improve ourselves. Getting that recognition that we are stepping up to the plate is just awesome.